Exercise number 1. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a number and checks whether the number is positive or negative. For example, you are taking a user input. Then print out whether the number is positive or negative. Please pause this video and begin writing your code once you have understood the question. You can unpause when you are ready to move on to the next question. Exercise number 2. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a number and checks whether the number is odd or not. For example, you are taking a user input. Then print out if the number is odd or even. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 3. Write a program that prompts the user to enter two numbers and checks which number is greater. For example, you will prompt the user to input the first integer, then the second integer. After that, you will print out which number is greater. Please pause the video to begin writing your code. Exercise number 4. Write a program that keeps prompting the user to enter an abbreviation for a direction, and then prints a message based on the direction, until the user enters a wrong direction. For example, prompt the user to enter an abbreviation for a direction. Then print a message based on the direction. Keep doing this until the user enters a wrong direction. Please pause the video and begin writing your code. Exercise number 5. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a number between 0 and 100, and then prints a letter grade based on the number. Use the grading scale below. For example, prompt the user to enter a number. Then print a letter grade that corresponds to the grading scale. Please pause the video and begin writing your code.